Hey guys, this is Kritika and today I'll be teaching you how to do this beautiful rose gold eye makeup look using Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Before proceeding, please consider subscribing to my channel if you are interested in makeup. Okay, so let's begin with the tutorial. So first I'll be taking this dark brown shade on my crease brush and I will put this on my crease. Then I'll take this much lighter brown shade and I will blend the dark brown with this color. I am just using circular and wiping motions to blend the edges of the dark brown. Once I'm satisfied with the blend, I will take a much lighter brown on a fluffy blending brush and I will blend all of this very nicely. Now to cut the crease, I am using a concealer and a concealer brush. Now I am taking this very light pink shimmery shade and I will put this on my inner lid. Now I am taking the rose gold shimmery shade and I will put this in the middle of my lid. Now I'll take this golden shimmery shade and I will put this right beside where I've put the rose gold shade. Just make sure that all of the colors are nicely blended together. Now I will create a winged eyeliner. Now I'm taking this golden liquid eyeliner from LA Colors and I will put it above the eyeliner which I have just created. Unfortunately, the footage is a little blur, but yeah, you just have to put a line just above the winged liner. For my waterline, I'm filling it with a white eyeliner. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the same browns which I have used for my crease area. For lashes, I'm using Henaa Beauty lashes in the style Inaayat. For highlights, I'm using Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighter in Precious Petals. And that's it. I really hope that you like this eye makeup. If yes, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on your photos. I would love to see your recreations and I would love to share it. If you have any other request regarding what look I should create next, then do tell me in the comment section below or you can DM me on Instagram. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and till then I will see you next time.